Oh my
damn.
Here. Ooh-wee.
I'm drilling shit. Shut up, nigga. Soft ass nigga.
Got hot chop. Beyond him.
Oh god, Rome's looking at me. No, those kids are stacking.
Don't crash out, little bro. Tyler, no one coming up. No one coming up.
Shut up.
You're right. His teammate had to save him. His teammate had to save him.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, nigga.
I ain't worried about that. Boy, shut up.
Mari, you suck.
Nice, got it going. Where's the thing?
Oh, weak ass AK. Fuck.
Slammed. What?
Slam. Exactly.
That's that. You get off that tiger.
You butt, Mari. You suck, Mari. You suck. Think you safe on that roof? Where you going, Lil Mari? Lil Mari, Capri, little Mari. Who you coming to kill?
On me. Whole team on me.
Nah, it's just me, gang.
What, Doug, where you at?
Crip, Crip. You ain't no Crip, nigga. Shut up. You the softest Crip. Oh my gosh.
On the roof. Get on the roof, please.
I'm dead. Oh. I'm about to die.
I'm glad you know, little bro.
Babe, crack his plates.
Come push me then. Since you cracked my plates.
I'm on top prison. I'm dead. This plates. I got no plates, bro. Ah, there's a full team. I'm dead. I'm dead. Go. Yes! Still up. I'm dead. How are you missing all those shots?
Oh my god, she again came up to me.
Yeah, you suck, buddy.
Oh my damn.
Oh my damn.
Here. Ooh-wee. Got my food, guys.
I can't even.
Don't revive me, dude. Fuck stairs.
flying back. Just wait, because there could be kids. Yep, there's a kid there.
Light. You suck. Prestige 11. You're dog shit. Better run, pussy.
These niggas deep over in this call. Holy shit. 4, 5, 6.
Oh, Jennifer call?
One call. Oh, Jennifer. Nah. In the AR call. 10 niggas in that shit.
10 niggas, man. Tell them niggas to just relax, my nigga.
They probably in the 10-man, bro. What you mean, relax?
10-man is fucking crazy, dude.
Shit. Shit, man. 10-mans be going crazy. Don't know what to tell you, Drew.
I think about them long nights about you talking to me.
Huh?
Hey, bro, I gotta put you on to a new artist, Drew.
Yeah?
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Gene.
I don't think you heard of him.
Shit, so we talking.
You know who Chicken P is?
Oh shit.
Chicken P?
Oh yeah.
Who the hell just said that? What the fuck? No, I didn't know she was in here.
No, I got mom.
Do you miss your friend yet or no? Probably not. It's okay.
Who's my friend?
Me.
Bro, make that please.
Prestige 11, you suck, nigga.
Alright, bro.
You suck too, nigga. Get out my lobby, nigga. Get out my lobby, nigga. Get out my lobby, nigga. Prestige 11, nigga.
Can you stop
Fuck.
saying the N-word so hard, please?
I lost like 400 SR yesterday.
Damn.
Damn, you dog shit.
She probably better than me now.
Never that. Oh my goodness, hold on. This AK is crazy. You still play with Dev? Did he?
You know I was
Yo, Genie is funny, bro. She loves Dev, guys.
Man, I've been here working on my cars, bro. I just bought like 7 more cars, Drew.
Damn, dog shit records. Don't leave now.
Ooh,
You?
I'm right here.
Oh. I thought I done scared you.
You seen that video I sent you, Drew?
No. Got a lot of. I'm gonna be on, bro. I ain't gonna let nothing happen to you, bro.
My nigga, Reek known in the streets now, nigga.
No, Reek not. Reek got one
Yes,
hat.
Reek is,
Now Reek
nigga.
known in the streets. No.
Reek is, nigga. No, he know about that cheese.
Shit is known for having that guap. Shit known for having them rackets. Oh, bro.
And the nigga ain't leaving me without being hurt, so he gonna have to check in too.
Damn.
Hey, bro, you know what I picked off on one of them CNB niggas yesterday?
What?
I picked up a med kits.
Oh yeah, one of them had med kits.
Hey, can I can't customize the names on my cars, bro. This shit.
You can. You gotta do it in the garage.
Gotta go to the garage.
For real?
Yeah.
Word.
But when you call for your valet don't know the names is back to normal. Back to their original name when you use valet.
But in the garage.
But in the garage, yeah, you good. Yep.
Heavy them dead at pill. You talking about EMS at pill now?
Yeah. You talking about dead eye.
I've been smoking on a dead vape for 3 days.
I thought you was finna say you've been smoking weed.
No, I've been.
I thought you was about to say crack.
Bro.
Crack?
Yeah.
Holy.
Nigga, ain't nothing wrong with crack.
Tell him, see.
I guess, big
that
bro.
mean you actually do it. Since you talking about ain't nothing wrong with it, I was just joking.
Obviously, I was joking.
Yeah. That's what they all say.
What does she have on me?
Drew, how do I name it?
Don't run from me. You're a dog ass.
You'll be able to like customize the font.
Where? On which one?
Anyone.
Chow me, what's
Bro.
up?
I can't, bro.
You're a pussy.
Oh,
You left your teammate to die, bro. Wow. L teammate.
Can I say the N-word, Drew?
Yes.
No, like the ER.
No, nigga.
Okay.
Yes, I give you permission.
Bro, be happy I asked, nigga.
Why would you want to say that? Why?
I don't know, it just be pushing me so.
And then gonna say yes too. It's crazy.
See,
And then you got a wetback talking about yes.
Bro, that's. I'm
It's
not
catty,
Hispanic, bro. But
Slimy back.
Come to our mechanic shop. What's the name?
it's actually crazy big bag.
Shut up, gringo. What wrong with you?
Oh hell
Fuck.
I'm about to tell her till you cuss, nigga.
I didn't cuss.
Yeah, you call her a gringo.
That ain't cussing, nigga.
Oh. You know, Auntie put belt on ass yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, you call her.
Oh, I did it?
Yes, you did. You was like, I've been here doing something, B. And she was like, who you calling them?
Oh, wait, oh, for real?
Yeah. Bro, how do I name the car, bro? I don't see it. Drew Scooter.
I already told you how to do it, nigga.
No, you didn't. You just said go in the mechanic shop. You didn't tell me where to go to.
Hey, these charges, guys, these 2023 charges.
It's a scat. That bitch slow as hell.
That bitch look
Bro,
heavy.
you know what, bro? Alright, bro.
Sicky, I already told you how to do it, gang.
Bro, no, you didn't, bro. I'm asking, where do I do it at?
Oh, I'm too busy killing niggas right now, gang.
Keep playing that trash ass game.
Sorry, damn. Sorry, my YouTube going up, gang. Shit.
I love that for you, but I hate that game.
But I hate that game.
Performance parts.
Dick, bro.
Tell your dick getting dick. Girl,
What?
you talking about?
Yo!
They really don't. They
Rowdy
really mean it
is
when they say
tripping.
you hear what you want to hear, bro. That's crazy.
Man, Drew heard it too.
I said
I
my
did.
Discord, bro. My Discord.
I for sure heard that.
Told you. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It seems like I be in the city more than you, not Drew. No, I'm just playing.
How do you figure that? Nigga been in the city for 2 days.
Bro,
And you wasn't
don't do
even
it,
in
bro.
today. You just got in.
Cause I had to clean, nigga.
So imagine what the fuck I gotta do if your young ass gotta clean.
Sit there and be a good boy.
Shut your bitch ass up, fuck nigga. Ho, nigga. I just
Nigga, don't make me.